guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Lillian and I'm so excited for this video. So excited that I'm coming to you guys now literally 20 minutes after the act. Hair is a mess. I look like a foot, but I wanted you guys to see my genuine excitement because today I bought my first designer handbag. Can we just... I'm very grateful, humble, and I'm ready to show you guys this bag. So before I get into showing you the bag, which is right here, I promise it will be shown, just giving you a little background story. So I've done a lot of research. I watched so many YouTube videos. I read reviews. I slept, dreamt of the bag that I was going to get. So today I'm in Dusseldorf, Germany, and they have literally every designer store you can think of. And I was so set on getting the Neverfull. I went into the Louis Vuitton store. First of all, homeboy told me, did I have an appointment? No, sir. Then I just kept getting looks up and down. Keep in mind, I'm wearing my Nike crew neck. I have like Lululemon leggings. I'm totally bumming it. I swear, I was looking to my right. A girl had a Birkin, to my left, decked out in Fendi, Gucci, Prada, Louis. I was definitely out of place, but still put some respect on my name. I just didn't like the whole, how they were treating me. I didn't like the vibe I was getting. So all of the stars were not aligning for the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, so I did not get it. I passed. Then I went to the Gucci store and I got the bag. It wasn't on display. I had to go to them and ask, hey, do you guys have this bag? They had one left. But another quick funny little story. The girl, she couldn't speak a lot of English, but she was so nice. You could tell she was definitely trying. She asked me if I wanted water, coffee, drinks, like food. Super, super nice. Wasn't judging me on how I looked. Was paying me the respect that homeboy at the Louis Vuitton store should have paid me. Okay. I asked for this bag and she had the same one on actually, and she was like, because I pointed at her bag, and she was like, oh no, small bag, you large bag. And I was like, I get what you're putting down. I could have liked it in a different wording, but she didn't speak a lot of English, so I know she wasn't trying to be rude or anything. But I'm actually happy she suggested this size because it looks way better on me. And she was bringing me other bags that look similar so I could compare. She was doing all the right things, okay? So I tried on the bag. I loved it. So here we have the Gucci bag that it comes in. It's cute. It has like this little Palm Springs decoration on it. It's a little holographic. Definitely cute. And then it comes in this little thing. Should I get a thumbnail? Okay guys, we're gonna open it up. So it comes in this little dust bag, has the Gucci logo. I'm definitely keeping this bag for sure. This is where my bag will sleep at night. And here we have the bag. Woo! This is the Gucci disco bag in the size large, color black. Like I said, they didn't have this on display, but I did my research prior, so I knew what I was looking for. I was going between this one and the Marmont one. I think I said that right. But this fits so much in it, guys. I put a couple things in it and it had so much more space compared to the Marmont bag. Once again, I hope I said that right. It was more rectangular, so it didn't have as much depth, so it wasn't fitting the things I needed to fit. I thought this tassel was super cute, and I just, oh, it smells so good. I love it so much. I think it's super casual. I'm not really a dressy person. I think the next bag I get will definitely be like an evening bag or maybe a tote. But for right now, I need something every day because I'm constantly like in crew necks and sweats and just casual clothing. So I wanted a casual bag to fit. Black everything because you already know. Oh, it's so beautiful. You can wear it crossbody like this. You can wear it crossbody like this. Or, of course, you can do it just on the shoulder. But where it falls for the crossbody is exactly where I would want my bag to fall. And I'm really glad she suggested the large bag over the small bag, because the small one was like this, and I just think this fits my body type way better. So here we have the bag. I love how it's so like chic, casual, understated, not too in your face. I think this is just so nice because I can wear it with cool tones, I can wear it with warm tones, and then it has like a little bit of, I would call this brass, but like not too much, not too in your face. I just think it's the perfect bag, and I wish you guys could see, I'm sure you've seen this bag somewhere, I'm sure you know somebody who has it, but the zipper is like velvet. I'll take all the padding and stuff out. But inside is perfect. It's like this canvas material. As you can see, it goes so deep. Like, I put my passport, my card holder, my phone, some sunglasses, a lip gloss, and I still didn't even take up half of the space. Like, it's absolutely perfect. And it has a little slip right here and a little slip right here, which I'll probably put like keys or lip gloss, something I need to grab really fast. But I just love how this feels. I also wanted to get a bag. I'm heavy-handed. I wanted a bag that I didn't have to be too careful with. Like if I had a Chanel or something, which I eventually want to get, but I feel like I would never wear it out because I just wouldn't want to mess it up. And I just feel like I can throw this around. You can scratch it. Like, nothing's really going to show. So that's perfect. As you guys know, I'm in Germany, and one of the biggest reasons I wanted to get a bag is because of the no tax thing. So when you buy a bag overseas, since you're not a resident in that location, you don't have to pay the tax. So this bag was 890 euros, and I didn't have to like add any tax or any of that. Plus, I got 100 euros back. So after I bought the bag, I went to this little department store next to them. There was like, in the Gucci store, they told me like where to go. They were super nice. They like circled everything. It was like 2 blocks away from the store. I go and I sit down. The guy was really nice, explained everything as well. He gave me 100 euros, so I got 100 back. And then, so really the bag in US dollars came out to be like 890. That's so funny. So yeah, it's the same amount US as in euros. What you can do when you buy a bag overseas, you can take the little form that they'll give you at the store, and you can go to a department store, or they'll give you a list of stores you can go and get that money right there. They can give you cash, or you can go to the airport and do it there. But if you do it at the airport, most of the time it takes like 1 to 3 months for them to put it back on your card. That doesn't bother me that much, but the real reason I wanted to go and do it right then and there is because I have a super early flight tomorrow. So I didn't want to like be stuck doing the forms and all of that get up when I could just, do it right now. And it was like the quickest process ever. We got 100 euros. We did a little bit more shopping with that, and it was great. I felt like, oh wow, I just won 100 euros. Really? That's not how it is. Don't think like that, but I'm sick in the head. So yeah, guys, this is my first designer bag. I'm so happy with it. I will probably update you guys in a couple months so I can do a review, tell you guys how it wears and all that good stuff. But if you like this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I've been super into handbags and high fashion lately, so there'll probably be more videos like this on my channel, so stay tuned for those. I love each and every one of you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.